So there was a time when my wife said, "It feels like you just want my attention all the time." And she was right, because I equated attention to value. If she paid attention to me, then I felt a sense of value, that I was valuable, which meant that my sense of self was dependent on somebody else. So that was out of balance. It put a lot of burden on her, and it didn't make me feel good when she didn't pay attention to me. And so that really caused a lot of unnecessary stress in our relationship. She didn't understand it. I didn't understand it. And it wasn't until I read No More Mr. Nice Guy and became aware of these things that it all started to become clear to me. Do you agree?
100%.